Hi everybody! Welcome to our channel, A-NATH-ing Under The Sun. In today's video, we are going to share with you how to create a Google account using mobile phone. If you're new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell below to notify you in our next video. How to create a Google account using mobile phone. Let's start. How to create a Google account. Google account can be used for all Google products like Gmail, Blogger, Maps, YouTube, and many more. Before you can sign in to any of these products, you must have a Google account first. For example, you want to sign in on YouTube. You must have a Google account first to sign in. Here are the 5 steps to create a Google account using mobile phone. Step number 1. Open any browser that is available in your phone. And then, go to Google sign-in page or type accounts.google.com. Step number 2. If you are in the sign-in page, all you have to do is to click Create Account and select For Myself or To Manage My Business. And then tap Next. Step number 3. Here on this page, all you have to do is to fill up the given field. To create your Google account, you must enter your first name, last name, desired username. Here, you can use letters, numbers, and periods. Then, enter your desired password. Enter your password again to confirm. And to your password, you can use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. You can also tick the box to show the password so that you can check if it's correct. And now, tap Next. Step number 4. On this page, we can add phone number and recovery email address, but it's optional. You must add your date of birth and gender. On this page, you can add your phone number, and it's up to you if you want to add them. This is only for account security, and it won't be visible to others. You can also add a recovery email address as well, and it's also optional. The purpose of this is to keep your account secure. Then you must enter your date of birth, gender, and after that, tap Next. Step number 5. Here, all you have to do is to read the Google privacy and terms, then click I agree. And you're all set. Now you have created your Google account. Hope you learned something today in our video. See you next time. We're done.